Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to set up study space on floor. So let's get started. Choose a corner to set up your study space. Remember, it should be ventilated and enough of sunlight should come in. You can put one carpet. You can also put a bed sheet over that. If you have one laptop table, you can keep that, or else you can also use cushions. I'm taking one cardboard box in which I'm going to keep my notebooks and books. You can take one plastic box for keeping your small stuffs. I'm keeping my sellotape, Fevicol, scissor, earphones, these cute razors, and sharpener. Here I am taking one basket in which I am putting pen holders and glasses to keep my pens, sketch pens, pencils, highlighters, etc. I have made this pen holder by a plastic bottle. The link is in the description box. Do check it out. Don't forget to keep one water bottle on your study table. And that's it. Our study setup on floor is ready. Thank you for watching till the end. Hit the like button, share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.